lot of rubbish stuff, but this is the original vlog.
Where your spec also something?
What happened with my snake?
You can do it like this also.
So this is the vehicle. This is our 20 million vehicle. So comfortable, huh? So comfy. So comfy. And this is the tour guide. Rita, please say something. Excuse him. He doesn't speak English. Loli, what happened? Can you say something about your?
That is not allowed in block.
Rebecca, you look like a Korean actress. Hey. Lolika, yes, I love this energy. You know, Joaquin. Oh, I love that you
What keep wearing gloves there?
Yeah. I love that. Joaquin, I love that you are wearing a shade even without seeing, without the spec. I love that energy. And this is the guy, the OG, the goat, everything in every aspect. So yeah, whenever we take a decision, it is up to him. And yeah, that's it. Oh! Finally, I can hear the river. Yeah.
Right now we just stop to take photos in this beautiful place. You can hear the sounds of water running down the river.
Oh, he said he would take it.
We are heading toward that site, along the lake.
Hi.
How are you feeling? Good morning.
So good. Good
Yeah,
morning.
be happy. Thank you. How are you?
I am good.
Be happy. Thank you. Select for me one too.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Where I'm meant to be, the people and the places I come from. It's tonight.
Oh, this is for the recording. Are you some kind of American cop or something? So guys, we have reached this location for ziplining. So
The location here for Ziplining.
I'm not really quite sure like how is it gonna work. If it's gonna be scary or something. So this is a point. This is dolly. This is the cable. We got some nice cable, and this is where the zipline will end. Let's hope we'll not freak out. Okay. Sit down. Okay. This is strong now. Don't leg up. Don't left, okay? Okay. Don't tap right, okay? Okay. Only hold this rope. Okay. Go. Oh!
Wow! Good view. That's good. Oh, very excited, yeah? Perfect. Nice pretty. Are we in heaven? What? Oh. Hell. What the hell? Yes, there's a here.
इंडिया चिनाब नदी है पाकिस्तान जाती है
ये पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर के सामने है क्या?
पाकिस्तान होके जाती है
अच्छा
पाकिस्तान को जाती है
Hi guys, where are we? We are in the place of Thailand.
Really of Himalayas.
We are in the beginning of Himalayas. It's very nice here. We thank you. And we just had our lunch or meal or whatever you call. Come on here. What are you doing? Okay. How are you doing? Everything alright? Yeah. สวัสดีครับขอบคุณครับ Hey, Atal tunnel 9 kilometer daw sa inyo. Yan na. So nice. Yeah, I think Manali Himachal. Alright. Yeah. Glacier may good din yan. Yeah. Oh well, it's good. Eh? Let's hope thinking like this. Hey, tao. Tama, tao kan ni makasap-kasap. Naik tanggo pada klik. Limus. Just after the podcast. We are taking photos here.
Will you take me my big tail here? I'll be off. Yes. From next visual from okay. Being a photographer is so hard.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Vlogger.
We came from here, another side of the rivers. What do we call that riding things?
Hey, so we are on our way to one of the highest. Well, I'm not sure, but let's just say highest.
It's
Okay,
okay.
that's fine. Take
Now we are going up there to visit the waterfall,
waterfall.
and only 5 of us because the other 3 stays back. Yeah, my eyes.
Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, everyone.
So we are going to go top up there.
Oh, step.
No, seriously. If they come, it will be very great. Oh,
Kind of looks short from down,
yeah,
but it's not that short.
yeah.
Now, the thing is that since the breezes, the air is chill, so it makes harder to breathe. There is water coming for this waterfall. Rebecca, what is it? Lolo, and
that-
Joaquim will make you jealous. Jealous.
We are.
How's your journey?
Heading to Jai Bole waterfall.
Jibole.
It's fine.
Hello. We are coming here for rafting.
River rafting.
We are getting ready. Let's go. They just come back from
paragliding.
paragliding. So
Dito bandit pa.
Ini bandit dong na.
Tatim, are you excited for this?
No, I'm tired. I'm scared.
After parachute, are you still in parachute? Are you really excited, buddy?
Yeah.
How are you? How are you feeling?
I'm very excited. All set up.
What the hell, man?
For my temperature is perfect. So our teams are getting ready
Give me your hand.
to river rafting, and yeah, guys are hopping out. This is Idly, it's bigger than your body, eh? And this is Patim.
Ready?
Sunglass.
You go. If you don't get wrong with
Ready? This is Rebek.
Come
This is
back.
also ready.
Come, guys.
Ready to go, right?
Come.
Ready?
I look fun. No, come.
Are you excited?
Excited!
With the helmet.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
The emotion is not there, man.
Hi.
Hello.
Love the builder. Yes, we fix it. Yes, we
See you after some.
इधर आओ आप इधर को क्या काम करा के फ्रंट को हाँ ऐसे को क्या काम ये वाला पकड़ना यस बाय बाय गाइस
This is our driver, so we have started. Guys, 1, 2, 3, guys. Suti to you na. Eh?
हिंदी आता है आप लोग को? आता है। कहाँ से हो आप लोग? नॉर्थ ईस्ट नागालैंड। कोई मणिपुर से कोई
I'm dying, but I'm having such a good time. It's a beautiful day. We're having fun.
Zipline. Hi guys.
It's so fun.
How's it?
My name is Dolly. Today is 4th of October 2024. I'm for Rafting.
My name is Inkai.
Hello, my name is Peza.
My name is Tachim.
Where are you from?
We are from
Manipur.
Manali first time
Yes, this is our first time.
border is very hot
Love you, Kulu Manali.
Welcome to Manali. Let's go.
भैया सामने की ओर डाउन आगे की ओर इधर हेलो
I missed the recorded part, row B3.
छोड़ना मत
भैया मैं गिर जाएगा.
भैया थोड़ा सा आगे जाओ आगे और आगे जाओ नगो नगो इधर देखो पीछे करो फेस हाय हेलो करो पहले ये देना ये शोल्डर जैकेट का शोल्डर दे दो दूसरा से कैमरा पकड़ो
So nice. Thank you, Lord, for this day. Love you. Woo!
वीडियो बन रहा है ओके ये देखो वीडियो बन रहा है हेलो हाय
Wait. Huh? Tim, I'll go here. Now, tell me 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
I'm so good, man. Yeah. Let's take us now. Let's take us now.
सरिया ऑक्सा वाला कौन सा टाइम बोलूँ मैं दिन देना है बोले नहीं हाँ 15 Look at this! What the hell?
What the hell? I'll come back again. I like this. Jump! Wow! Good job! I'm scared. Oh my god!
I was on the right corner and everything was I was trying to do everything.
Hi. I hope you don't get sick when you take calls.
Okay.
We just came back from rafting and we just changed 4th of October 2020. Mr. was like. And this is Mr. Someone is missing. Kamson. Oh. Don't show me. Putting it on my seat.
Thank you very much. Oli. Oli. We're going to have momo now. Momo. Show them the chutney. Chutney is here.
Me.
When we
Thank you for posting.
making vlog, no one is reading. Now everyone is holding camera.
Hi everyone. Monastery and yeah. Not this
Hey,
or
we have to be adaptable. Yeah, just look at that, Rebecca. The wild one is.
see.
Right.
What are these cuisines?
Never ever subscribe to to her channel.
Subscribe to my channel, guys.
Rubbish vlogger. Big tung nila ya. Wait, look at me. No.
Yes, between.
Why are you looking at me like that?
The glasses, I was just trying to. Take the video. Take the video. Oh, yeah. Guys. So good, yaar. So good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just look at the view, yeah.